Restoring damaged walls after coloring is a challenging task, but it is absolutely possible. As a licensed painter with extensive experience in the field, I can assure you that selecting the right paint color is crucial. Using the right paint and techniques can dramatically improve the appearance of your walls, even if they have visible damage. In this circumstance, the process of painting damaged walls involves several steps, which include 1. Inspect the walls thoroughly. The first step in the process is to inspect the walls for any visible cracks, holes, or other damage. This assessment will help you determine the extent of the repair required. 2. Clean the damaged area. Once the damages have been identified, it's essential to clean the walls thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. This step ensures that the paint will adhere firmly to the wall surface. 3. Apply primer. If necessary, apply a primer to the damaged area to create a smooth and absorbent surface for the paint applied later. 4. Mix and apply the paint. Select a high-quality paint that matches the existing color of the walls. Using an appropriate brush or roller, apply the paint in thin, even layers. Allow every layer to dry thoroughly before applying the next one. 5. Cover up any holes and cracks. If the cracks are too extensive, fill them with a high-quality patching compound. Apply the compound using a putty knife or sponge, ensuring that the cracks are completely filled and smoothed.
Make that all good.